Hello everyone, this is Asan Habib from OnlineMond. Today I will show you how you can integrate Mailchimp with contact from 7. So this is a WordPress website, and if we click the contact, it will scroll to the contact from 7 page. So what I want, if anyone fill the contact from 7, they will be stored on Mailchimp. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, then come to the plugin section, add new plugin, then paste contract from 7 extension, then press enter. So this is the plugin we'll use, contract from 7 extension for Mailchimp. So install now, then active. So you can see this plugin is installed, contract from 7 extension for Mailchimp. So click thematic settings here. You can see just beside contract from, a new tab is added here. So you have to paste our Mailchimp API key here. So where we will find the Mailchimp API key, let's find out. So first we have to log in on our Mailchimp account and click here. We have to click the account and billing option. So then we have to click the extras and click API keys. So we already have some API key here. We will create a new here. Just put a name, anything as you want. Form 7, I'm just putting contact form 7, generate key. So this key is added, copy to clipboard, then go to the WordPress dashboard again, just paste the API code here and connect freeze your audience. So I have two audience here. I just keep e-commerce here, and there's some already taking the email field, and for first name we will select your name field. Just scroll a bit and press save. I think it's all done, so let's see it's work or not. Let's open the website on incognito mode and submit a form. You can see, just type my name, put test, and press submit. Okay, so then we have to check on our Mailchimp all contacts. Wow, that's great. So you can see my email address is storing, and with my name, if I just scroll a bit, you can see source is API contact from 7. So it's perfectly working fine. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you face any issue, let me know. Please subscribe the channel and watch my other videos as well. Thank you.